everyone, I'm Allie.
And I'm Bridget.
And we are going to be doing a little spotlight today showing you some of the new fun Zamak products that we have. So the Zamak products, the cool thing are that they are manufactured in Greece. So we had to go to Greece. Next time I know you want to come along.
I know.
Had to do a sad 24-hour layover and was in Greece to see the actual electroplating that goes on to make and manufacture these zinc products. And you've had a really fun opportunity to play with them.
Yeah, I made some earrings just using really just these Zamak components. And they're all just different, different kind of
shapes,
fun,
different looks.
Yeah.
And not necessarily bead weaving or...
Yeah, but what's nice about it is literally all I used were the Zamak and then some jump rings.
Yeah, and the cool thing with the Zamak is that it's a nice bright silver that's going to last and keep its thing. So we had to look up and see exactly what Zamak is made of, and I keep forgetting this. So
it's like a collection, like all mixed together of what zinc, aluminum, magnesium, and copper.
Yeah, and the fun fact is it's copper and Zamak with a C or with a K because it's the German words for it. So that's actually where the metal was developed, which is funny because we do a lot of electroplating and things in Germany as well. But these products do come out of Greece, and we love the diversity of them and the detail that you can get while still having that plating.
Yeah, like some of these, like the filigree and even these kind of etching on
I'd say they kind of peacock.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, and there's a lot of different ways that we can do it. And we're actually using the electroplating. We should have brought back our bow trios and our halo beads too. The silver color of the zinc is what gives you that silver that you're looking at. And it's a very, very low toxicity level. So you're not worrying about is there lead in it and all of that. No, there's not. And the electroplating process, actually, that we got to see and hang out with it in Greece and see those baths, it's completely entertaining, even for somebody that, like me, that's not really that into the scientific thing before it. I just want to wear it and see it. But basically what they do is they take the products and it goes through a series of baths, literally.
Okay.
And it's through a dipping and then the electroplating. There's wires connected to it. It kind of looks like a torture chamber, actually, a little bath that it goes in. But there is... sterling silver done in that same electroplating ways and kind of different ways to do that electroplating. And I really love the bright color of the Zamak.
Yeah.
But because it has that plating, you can still get that darker look in it. Because basically what they're doing is they tumble it and do that complete blackened look.
Okay.
And then they tumble it with like little pieces of like rumber
which then
or like
takes
cork.
off.
Exactly. So you're left with these different pieces. So we also looked up how to clean Zamak if you needed to. And it's whether or not you want it to keep it that bright or if you want to kind of look at and see those darker collections of pieces. And the longer you tumble, the more that blackened look is going to come out. If you don't tumble at all, you're going to be left with that super, super bright Zamak color. And when we were looking it up, it said just kind of a soft cloth, vinegar,
with lemon
vinegar, something basically acidic, and then a little bit of making a paste too with a baking soda. You can do that little paste if you want to clean it up. But honestly, for all the Zamak that we've used so far and the coating that we've had, it's held up incredibly well.
It has, yeah.
And we're not worrying about that tarnishing effect or that chipping off because it's not a plating. It's done through that electroplating. So it's not a traditional just kind of dip it in where you go and then all of a sudden all the brass starts to come and see through, or you're left with like those beads that somehow magically turned copper in the middle of your walls that we repaired. This is not that case. And it really is across the board with all different projects. I had Bridget bring her earrings that she did because I've done things where I've seed beaded around it. Bridget just used jump rings in this really cool little 5-minute video. We've done some leather ones where we've had the leather different sides. And the availability of the zinc, the cost of the zinc, and the look of the zinc, we really have kind of fell in love with that Zamak product. So maybe you'll have to come to Greece and we'll have to do some more product development, pick out some more. And we're going to be doing some more in some metals as well too. We have some micro spacers that we're going to be showing you guys soon. And we're continuing to do more with the Greek company and working with the Zamak. So there will be more to come.
Yes, check us.
Check back with us because we'll have more.
Yeah.
And there is an insane amount of different categories and things that the Zamak is in. So we'll put some of them below us in the video. And you can get links to purchase from us at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu, like the bow trios and the halos and some of our exclusives, as well as all of these fun products also. And then below us too, underneath that, you can give us a little like
and subscribe so you can keep updated with everything we have to bring to you.
Check out all of those fun Zamak products as well as some of the videos that we've used them into. We'll try to get links to those as well, the 5-minute video as well as the one with the different filigree ones that we've done as well. And then I know we've had some requests to do more with filigree products as well. So more to come and more Zamak that we'll keep introducing and bringing to you. So thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Thanks.
Bye.